And those people and many activists who have taken up their cause say one bullet will not end their journey for justice. KSHB 41's Isabella LaDawn with those voices and their continued push for accountability.
Wyandotte County officials have yet to respond to Roger Golubski's death and what it means for community accountability. I'm Isabella LaDawn with KSHB 41 News, and I've been calling officials all day after we've been hearing cries for change.
Roger Golubski was like the worst stain on the department, but he's not the only one.
Advocates who rallied outside the federal courthouse in Topeka say the fight for justice doesn't end with Golubski's death.
Till they weed out the corruption and the things that allow these officers to continue to operate with impunity, we will be there.
Golubski's alleged victims claim the years of abuse and corruption were protected under the KCK Police Department and unified government of Wyandotte County.
Nothing ended with that today.
KCK-PD declined to comment when I asked how they plan to address department accountability. My calls and messages to KCK's mayor have gone unanswered, and Wyandotte County's district attorney did not make himself available.
Can we trust them to tell us the truth? Right now, that trust has been eroded by the very fact that Golubski was allowed to do what he did for so long.
Bill Skepnick is representing some of the alleged victims in a civil lawsuit against Golubski, KCK-PD former chiefs and detectives, and the government of Wyandotte County.
Can't do what Roger Golubski did alone.
He says the path to justice is through this civil lawsuit against the agencies who allegedly covered up and took part in Golubski's actions.
Maybe our civil case, if it's permitted to move forward, will be a vehicle to tell the story. But until these people have their story told, there's no justice.
What does accountability look like?
Public understanding and recognition, public knowledge. It's how democracies work.
Wyandotte County made a motion to dismiss the lawsuit because the claims happened between 1992 and 2002. The case is currently at a standstill until a judge decides on the motion.
I believe that in terms of trying to heal the wound and find justice, the case needs to go forward.
In Wyandotte County, Isabella LaDawn, KSHB 41 News.